Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase your potassium level step by step. Start by tracking current intake and note low potassium days. Focus on whole foods like bananas, spinach, beans, and potatoes. Swap processed snacks for potassium-rich options and include a source at each meal. Consult your healthcare provider before starting supplements if you have kidney issues or take blood pressure meds. Choose potassium-rich foods to raise levels naturally and safely. Add bananas to breakfasts, blend spinach into smoothies, and toss beans into salads or stews. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are easy swaps for low potassium sides. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, and legumes across the week to maintain steady potassium intake without relying on pills. Small, consistent changes beat occasional binges for long-term balance. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated on the go and makes sipping water while tracking electrolytes much easier. It fits cup holders, has a leak-proof lid, and keeps drinks cold so you actually drink more. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Supplements can help but require caution and medical guidance. Your provider may recommend a specific dose or a lower sodium, higher potassium plan to safely adjust levels. Avoid salt substitutes that substitute potassium chloride without approval. Monitor symptoms like weakness or irregular heartbeat and get lab checks as advised. Adjustments are individualized, so work with your clinician to set safe targets and follow up regularly for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.